Hello, my name is Dinah. I am a quality assurance specialist here at Steelhead, and I will be discussing finding parts using the global search bar tool. So here it is up top. This search bar is very beneficial. You can find parts immediately. So you can search received orders, work orders, part numbers, racks, customers, etc. There's a lot you can do with the search bar to find parts very quickly. So for example, a customer calls and he's like, I need my parts quick. You can ask him, what is your company name? And go ahead and look it up. He says it is Pete's Auto. There it is right there. Click this little link and it shows all of Pete's Auto's related links. We're gonna look into his work orders, and here's one for him. You can verify that these are the parts he's looking for, and you can see right away where they're at, what location, and you can clue them in very easily. You can see the steps that they've already gone through, where they're at right now, and the steps they need to go through in order to be complete. So this makes it easy for you, eliminates the need to walk around the job shop trying to figure out where the parts are at. They're just right here. Find them in a few clicks. So it keeps you happy, keeps the customer happy because you're able to find the answers immediately, and overall just very beneficial tool. Keeps your job shop running very efficiently.